Dele had not been feeling well for about 5 days now. He was so weak he couldn't eat or drink. It felt as though he was dying, even though with a little exaggeration, but the fact remains that he was really sick. He decided to visit the hospital to get checked and treated. At the hospital, he met the nurse at the reception. Dele couldn't even stand erect due to how sick he felt. The nurse directed him to a chair and came to meet him there to explain what was wrong. After telling the nurse how he felt, the nurse assured him, carried out some examinations on him, and she went ahead to inform the doctor that a patient is waiting to be seen. The doctor then beckoned for Dele to come to the consulting room. The doctor attended to Dele and prescribed some medications for him, with some antibiotics included. The doctor emphasized on the need to complete the medications even when Dele feels better. Dele got his drugs and went home. He had called his friend at the hospital so that the friend can help bring him some food to the house because he could not cook or go to eatery to eat. So by the time he got home, his friend was already waiting for him at home. Dele was only able to eat 1/3 of the food his friend John brought him. He managed to use his drugs or his medications, after which he slept off. John decided to sleep over in order to watch Dele's over the night. Dele got a bit better by the next morning. John asked if he would be fine by himself. Dele said yes. John then left because he had to go to his work. He promised to check back on Dele when he got back from work. By evening, Dele was already feeling perfectly okay and was already getting tired of continuing his drugs. It was just the second day and the drug was to be continued for a whole week. Dele started missing 1 or 2 doses of his drug by the 3rd day, and when he get to the 5th day, he had abandoned the whole medications. Dele continued his normal activities as though nothing is wrong, coupled with the fact that he feels perfectly fine. 3 weeks down the line, nothing happened, and by the 4th week, Dele felt one of the symptoms he had the last time, which took him to the hospital. By the next day, he felt so terrible that he could not even walk this time around. He had to call John, who practically had to drag him to the hospital. When he got to the hospital, the nurse and the doctor asked what happened. He was asked if he completed the dosage of his drugs that he was given the last time, and as you already can guess, the answer is no. The nurse and the doctor felt so disappointed in Dele's response. Dele had to be admitted this time around and spent a total of 2 weeks in the hospital before he was discharged. He was discharged on some medications. Do you think Dele will adhere to the medication regimen this time around? Do you see yourself in Dele? Are you also guilty of what Dele did? Have you been adhering to your drug prescription? Do you usually finish the dosage of every drug you are given? Okay, see you another time. Thank you for watching till the end.